Police wrong. My police wrong.
Officer, level man, officer. Yo. Yo, listen to me. Yo, look for me. Look for me, man. Officer. Listen. All right, let's break it up. Let him go. Yo, listen to me, man. Listen to me now. Officer, listen to me now. Officer.
What gonna get me opinionated peeps of people? Boy, me I tell you that one kinda. I don't even know whether I say it funny or it's sad. But Jado Star, the way all the man them deal with SQUADI. Watch it. Them all pull SQUADI wicked. You understand? Now the truth and fact about it is me people are say, yo, the officer wrong. Right? And based on, cause this was also posted to Instagram, and based on the comment section, right? We see a whole heap of people that say, yo, whether the officer wrong or not, you know, them not supposed to deal with the officer of the law in this way, right? Because there should be a certain level of respect for police officers, which is true, right? That is absolutely true. But also, something where me personally always notice, police in some cases tend to overstep them powers and try to be disrespectful to the regular man too. You know, so not because you have on a uniform, not because you travel with a gun, not because you have the title of police, means you should not be respectful to the person who you're trying to detain, right? And on several occasions, I have seen that happen, right? Now, I'm not saying that's what happened with this man right here, you know, this officer right here, you know, they must call him corporal, but him actually have 3 stripes, so that's a sergeant, right? I'm not saying that's what happened right here with this Sarge, right? But what I'm saying is, you know, just the same way how you would expect respect to come from the public to the officers, I would expect the officers to have the same level of respect to the public as well, right? You can't, you know, drape up people and manangle a big man too, you understand? Because you have some man, you know, some man now stand up and take that, you know, right? Even though you're police, boss man, deal with me with respect, you understand? Don't come drape me up and haul and pull me and you listen me. Talk to me, people. Give me your opinion, because as I tell you, it always matters.
Boy, unstoppable you.